Welcome back to our Vital Marketing tutorial series. In today's video, we'll go over how to grow your direct-to-patient e-commerce program by utilizing social media. Social media marketing allows us to find our audience where they spend their time and learn more about them and their behaviors. And especially when it comes to the medical and pharmaceutical industries, trust and social authority are critical. With so many pharmaceutical brands neglecting their social presence, now is the best time to get ahead and stand out from the competition. But managing social media for a brand is slightly different than for an individual. It's more than sharing travel photos from your last vacation. Successful brands create social media strategies that align with their message and what they do, as well as consistently plan and schedule content that resonates with their audiences. Let's go over how to build a social media strategy from scratch. The first step of social media marketing is building a strategy. Without understanding your brand's goals and target audience, it becomes hard to achieve results on social media. When creating your social media marketing strategy, ask yourself the 6 W's. Why do you want to be on social media? Who is your target audience? What are you going to share? Where are you going to share? When are you going to share? And what does success look like? These questions help determine your goals, the platforms you plan to focus on, and the type of content you want to share. Why do you want to be on social media? To create an overall social media marketing strategy, you should first ask yourself, why? How does it relate to your business goals? How does that translate to social media goals? Some potential social media goals you can have include increasing brand awareness, driving traffic to your website, generating new leads, growing revenue, boosting brand engagement, building a community around your business, providing social customer service, increasing mentions in the press, and listening to conversations about your brand. For a direct-to-patient e-commerce program, your goals might include driving traffic to your website, building a community around your business, and providing social customer service. It's likely you'll have more than one social media goal. However, it's best to focus on a handful of goals unless you have a team dedicated to focusing on different goals. Who is your target audience? Once you've identified your goals, the next step is to consider your target audience. This will help you determine the type of content you're going to share, where it'll be shared, and when it'll be shared. For DTP marketing, your target audience is patients, right? But sometimes it can also be the patient's family. Or you might have a specific kind of patient who is more important to your brand strategy. What are you going to share? To identify what you are going to share, create content themes based on your social objectives. Then, look at content that has already been created and pull out what performed well in other mediums. A blog post, for example, or an ad. Create social posts around this content and then branch out to fold in other content themes. Where are you going to share? Each social channel offers different strengths and weaknesses. Instagram may be better for a consumer-facing, lifestyle-oriented audience, while Twitter is perfect for engagement and customer support. Decide how you will use each social channel. Remember, you don't have to be on every channel, just the ones where your audience is. When are you going to share? This may be the toughest of all. Sharing at different times can result in highly different engagement results. But the only way to know this for sure is testing. Share different types of content at different times. Once you have enough of a data set, you'll be able to identify the best and worst times for sharing. And with that, you've created a basic social media strategy. There's much more to go over, such as measuring your success, but that's a topic for another video. Next, we'll discuss how scheduling platforms and apps can help streamline your direct-to-patient social media initiatives.